Hey YouTubers, so here's my problem today. The window fell into there because it got caught up on this when it was like that, and it got cranked on, and now you can see the window is down there at the bottom. You see that thing right there is the track, it looks like. So look how it just raises and lowers this thing. So that needs to be under glass. So however this stuff is, this part just pull it right off. So no works, no fastness. Right here we have a T30 Torx. Right here we have the T30 Torx. My socket would not fit in there, so I got this Carlisle brand professional lifetime Napa. So now we have access by just trying not to scratch the paints and make rust. Okay, so I retrieved this guide from there. And careful not to drop the window because it will drop and smash. Okay, so I've got this piece right there, just hold it all open. And lifting the window is as simple as top of the okay, it place. Okay, so now let's look at this. The wheel goes here, glass goes here.
You see this black mark? That's called a witness mark. That one right there.
Okay, so I've got that piece on there. Now let's just put the wheel in check. So it can only go in on one extreme or the other. Let's go all the way.
So the trick is to put the arm perpendicular to the ground, then slide on the window holder, then slide on the window.
Now let's see if it's in the right adjustment. All the way close. All the way open. It works. Oh yeah. 15-minute fix, you guys. Enjoy.